to share with you a new recipe to clean the toilet. So that's about half a cup of baking soda. Now all of the pets are an essential ingredient here, but I'll tell you what I love about this. It's not going to hurt them. All of these things would not hurt them even if they ate it. So that was about 1/4 a cup of dish soap and about 1/4 a cup of hydrogen peroxide. And then we're going to put about 15 drops of eucalyptus. Smells great. And I tell you why I wanted to share this with you. Because I read this recipe somewhere, and they had you mix it all up in a jar and shake it and put it in your toilet. Well, why would you shake all that? What difference would it make? Just put it straight in your toilet. That'll save you so much time. So I hope that helps.